Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best patch holder is probably one of the most underrated yet essential accessories for anyone looking to display their collection of morale patches, unit insignia, or achievement badges with pride and organization, transforming a scattered pile into a curated exhibit that's both functional and visually appealing, ensuring your cherished patches are always ready for show or easy access. Number 5. OneTigris Foldable Tactical Patch Display. Are you looking for the perfect way to showcase your diverse patch collection? This versatile holder is designed to accommodate a wide range of patches, from military and scout to flag and even Disney pins. It's the ideal solution for organizing all your treasured emblems. Its convenient foldable book design makes it incredibly portable. You can easily carry it with you to events or simply move it around your home. Plus, a fabric loop allows you to hang it on walls or doors, saving valuable space. Measuring 112 cm x 21 cm, this panel holder offers a compact size that keeps your collection neat and organized. It can comfortably accommodate various sizes of embroidered, iron-on, and letter patches, providing flexibility for your display needs. Constructed with heavy-duty 500D nylon material, this display is built for long-lasting use. Its reinforced stitching adds extra strength, ensuring you can confidently fasten and remove your patches without worrying about wear and tear. Please note, the package includes only the morale patch board itself. Patches are not included, giving you the freedom to choose and customize your own unique collection exactly how you envision it. What we like. This organizer boasts a unique foldable book design, making it incredibly portable. Its durable construction ensures your collection is protected wherever you go. If you are a collector who travels frequently or wants to easily transport your patches, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Tactical Patch Display Panel Holder Board Large. Are you looking for a perfect way to display your cherished patches? This large panel is designed to elegantly organize and present all your hook-backed emblems. Measuring 43 by 27.5 inches, it offers ample space for a wide variety of patches. You can easily arrange your tactical, military, name, ID, and PVC patches. Crafted with heavy-duty nylon backing, it ensures easy patch organization and exceptional durability. This robust construction guarantees long-lasting use. It hangs firmly on your wall with 10 heavy-duty grommets, providing a secure display. When not in use, it conveniently folds up for simple storage. The package includes the display panel itself, so you can start organizing right away. Plus, it comes with one flag patch to kickstart your collection. What we like. Offering a generous display area, this panel is perfect for showcasing an extensive collection. Its heavy-duty nylon backing ensures long-lasting durability for all your patches. If you have a vast collection and want a robust, wall-mounted display, this option is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Brass Gun Cleaning Slotted Tips 6PC Pack. This pack includes 4 versatile slotted tips. They are designed to fit all calibers, from small .177 to large 12G, ensuring comprehensive cleaning for your firearms. Simply attach the appropriate patch to these holders. They allow for quick and efficient cleaning, easily passing through the bores of your guns. Crafted from high-quality brass, these tips offer superior durability compared to plastic, steel, or aluminum alternatives. Each holder is clearly marked with its compatible caliber for easy identification. They feature US market standard threads, ensuring broad compatibility with your existing cleaning rods. Various sizes are included to match different calibers, from rifles to shotguns. This convenient 6-piece pack comes in a small, easy-to-store case. It provides all the essential tips you need for a thorough gun cleaning experience. What we like. These slotted tips are designed for efficient and thorough gun cleaning across multiple calibers. Crafted from superior brass, they offer durability far beyond plastic alternatives. If you are a firearm owner looking for reliable, high-quality cleaning tools, these patch holders are a must-have. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract points as the source JSON was empty. Number 2. Excellent Elite SPANKER Tactical Patch Display Board. Discover the perfect solution for your patch collection. This display board is designed to keep all your hook-back patches neatly organized and easily accessible. Crafted with a soft polyester cloth for attaching patches and a durable nylon backing, it ensures longevity. This robust construction prevents fraying, keeping it useful for years to come. It securely holds your patches, yet allows for easy, quiet removal when needed. Simply pull off the patch you want and use it without hassle. Use its integrated grommets to elegantly display your military memorabilia or other patches. This allows you to showcase your collection in a decorative and organized manner. When not on display, it conveniently folds up for compact storage. Available in multiple colors and sizes, you can choose the perfect one to match your needs. What we like. This board features a soft polyester surface, allowing for easy attachment and removal of patches with minimal noise. It keeps your collection neat and organized, whether hung or folded. If you frequently swap out your patches and value quiet, effortless changes, this holder is perfect. What people say. Number 1. IronSeals Tactical Patch Organizer Display. Tired of misplaced patches? This innovative organizer provides a dedicated space for all your tactical, PVC, and fabric patches. Keep them neat, visible, and ready for display. Crafted from 1000D durable nylon, it's built to last. The loop surface makes it incredibly easy to fasten and remove your patches whenever you need. It offers a perfect display solution for your entire patch collection. Easily organize them with its mall hook compatibility, ensuring a professional and tidy look. Equipped with sturdy steel rings, you can hang this holder wherever you desire. Display your collection proudly in your gear room, office, or anywhere else. Choose from 3 convenient sizes to best suit your needs. Whether you have a small collection or a vast array, there's a perfect fit for you. Each package includes this patch holder and a bonus flag patch to start your collection. Please note, other items shown are for display purposes only. What we like. Constructed from ultra-durable 1000D nylon, this display is built to withstand heavy use. It comes in various sizes to fit any space or collection, and features secure steel rings for reliable hanging. If you need an extremely robust and customizable display for a permanent setup, this is your go-to. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract helpful points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.